What's the meaning of blood sport? Blood sport. Blood sport.
Blood sport. Blood sport. Blood sport refers to any activity or competition that involves the harm, injury, or death of animals, usually for human entertainment or competition. Examples of blood sports include bullfighting, cockfighting, dogfighting, and bear baiting. In these cruel and inhumane events, animals are subjected to extreme violence, often suffering serious injuries or death. Blood sports are widely considered to be unethical and are illegal in many countries around the world. Despite this, they still exist in some places and continue to be a controversial issue. Many animal rights activists advocate for the complete ban of blood sports and have been working tirelessly to raise awareness about the cruelty involved.